Hello, and welcome again to Senior Art Strokes. I'm Angel Mercado. Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to prove a point. Do we really need to have all of these expensive art materials to start drawing with? There's some construction going on around here, so it might be a little bit noisy. We'll see how it's going to work out. If you think that you cannot start drawing because you don't have the right art materials, I have something I want to show you. I've done two drawings. One with traditional art materials, more expensive stuff, good paper, good pencils, stamps to blend. And the second one is non-traditional art materials, like computer paper, any given pencil just about you find in any house, and tissue to blend with when necessary. I've been teaching for say about 30 years now. The number one reason or excuse that I hear is that I cannot start drawing because I don't have my art supplies. I don't have my art materials. But you will be able to see in these two drawings, do we really need to have these art materials right away or not? I can go even further and say that if you start using good art materials right from the beginning, it might slow you down. And why? Because you are going to feel like you have to produce something nice because you're going to be wasting the paper. This happens a lot. I hear this so many times, and it happened to me when I was just learning. Till you find the value of exercising. There's where the key is at. So let's go and see these two drawings, and you tell me if you can really see a difference between both of them and if you think you could start drawing today. So let's go and compare these two drawings that I've done. Okay, so here is the first drawing I created with just a pencil and, as you can see, just computer paper. I treat this both as just a sketch, not a final drawing. I did spend more time on this drawing just to achieve the darker tones. It took me a little bit more time than the one that was done with traditional art supplies. So that is my first drawing. Now I'm going to show you the one that I did. Here I created this sketch, just like a sketch, like I said, not a final drawing. And this took me a little bit less because, of course, I was using pencils of different lead degrees, and it was a lot easier to achieve the darker tones. But when you think about this sketch compared to this sketch, really there's no excuse why you cannot start sketching today. Just using what you have at home. And then later use this. Because right now you want to practice, you want to exercise, so you don't need to keep most of this stuff. I hope you're going to see the difference and you're going to see how easy it is to sketch with both materials and different papers and still have, a drawing that looks very similar. First, we had to learn how to move the arm, how to use a pencil, and how to see, how to train our eyes to see better. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.